Om Namo Narayanaya. The author Brahmashri Melpathur Narayana Bhattadari, while composing and singing the Narayaniyam, he started with the very first scando with the greatness of the God Sri Krishna, the summary of first chapter from Srimad Bhagavatam, and describes the form of the God who is formless. Srimad Narayaniyam Dashakam 1 Shloka 1. Sandranandavavodalmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadibhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashadasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punaruru purusharthalmagam brahmatattvam tattavad bhadi satshal guru pavanapure handa bhagyam jananam. Word by word meaning. Sandra Ananda Avabodhalmakam, which is of the nature of intense bliss and supreme consciousness. Anupamidam, without comparison. Kala Desha Avadibhyam Nirmuktam, totally free from the limitations of time and space. Nityamuktam, ever free from the control of Maya, the unmanifest Prakriti. Nigama Shada Sahasrena, whose nature innumerable scriptural texts. Nirbhasyamanam, try to reveal. Aspashtam, and yet is not easy to grasp in the beginning. Drishtamatre Puna, but then immediately on realization. Uru Purusharthalmagam, becomes the highest Purushartha, that is moksha, liberation. Brahma Tattvam, Brahma, the reality. Tad Tavad, that very reality. Then Bhadi Sakshat Guru Pavanapure, shines right in front of me at Guruvayur. Hanta Bhagyam Jananam, oh, what a good fortune for the people. The supreme reality, the Brahma Tattva, which is dense concentrated bliss, which is of the nature of the pure consciousness, which is without parallel or comparison, and is totally free from time and space limitations, and is always free of Maya. Hundreds and thousands of the Upanishadic statements seek to explain, and yet is not clear. This Brahma Tattva, which is not easy to grasp in the beginning, but then the realization of which is the highest Purushartha, that is liberation. That very reality shines right in front of me in the Guruvayur temple. O God, wonderful indeed the good fortune of the people who seek the grace. It is the greatest good fortune of mankind in this Kali Yuga that the eternal truth which grants us salvation manifests itself as Lord Krishna in the holy shrine of Guruvayur to bless all true devotees. This embodiment of eternal spiritual bliss is beyond any comparison and transcends all limits of time and space. This eternal truth is free of all illusion and is all pervading, being the root cause of the entire universe. Even the Vedas cannot fully comprehend it or describe it, but it can be attained through single-minded devotion by the true bhaktas of Lord Krishna. Indeed, it is great luck that in Guruvayur, the pure and well-known divine shrine of God Krishna is present at the continuous stream of joy and wisdom, which makes you want to see it again and again once you visit the temple in Guruvayur, Kerala, the God's own country. Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayandam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahesha Go Brahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. May all beings everywhere be happy and free. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Hari Om.